the role of the US dollar in global trade and your money today, we're diving into a topic that affects everyone, whether you realize it or not, the role of the US dollar in global trade and how it impacts your money. From international travel to investments, the US dollar plays a huge role in the global economy. Welcome back to Evergreen Report. If you're new here, we break down financial topics in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's get started. What is the US dollar's role in global trade? The US dollar is the world's primary reserve currency. This means it's the most widely used currency for international transactions, trade, and investments. But why is the dollar so dominant? There are a few key reasons. Stability. The US economy is one of the largest and most stable in the world, making the dollar a safe choice for global trade. Oil and commodities. Many global commodities, like oil, are priced in US dollars. This creates a constant demand for the currency. Global influence. The US has significant political and economic influence, which reinforces the dollar's dominance. Because of this, the dollar acts as a kind of global financial backbone. But what does this mean for you? Let's find out. How the dollar affects exchange rates. One of the most direct ways the US dollar impacts your life is through exchange rates. When you travel abroad or buy imported goods, the value of the dollar compared to other currencies determines how much you'll pay. For example, if the dollar is strong, your money will go further when traveling or buying foreign products. But if the dollar is weak, everything becomes more expensive. Exchange rates fluctuate based on factors like interest rates. Higher US interest rates can strengthen the dollar. Economic performance. A strong US economy boosts confidence in the dollar. Global events. Political instability or economic crises in other countries can drive demand for the dollar as a haven. Understanding these fluctuations can help you make smarter decisions, whether you're planning a trip or shopping online. How the dollar impacts international investments. If you've ever invested in foreign stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you've felt the impact of the US dollar. When you invest internationally, your returns are affected not just by the performance of the investment, but also by currency exchange rates. For example, if you invest in a European company and the euro weakens against the dollar, your returns could shrink when converted back to US dollars. On the flip side, a weaker dollar can boost returns on international investments. This is why many investors pay close attention to currency trends when building their portfolios. Diversifying across currencies can help reduce risk and take advantage of global opportunities. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Evergreen Report for more insights into how the global economy affects your money. How the dollar affects your everyday life. Even if you never travel abroad or invest internationally, the US dollar still plays a role in your daily life. Here's how. Imported goods. Many products you buy, from electronics to clothing, are priced in US dollars. If the dollar weakens, the cost of these goods can go up. Gas prices. Since oil is priced in dollars, fluctuations in the dollar's value can affect gas prices at the pump. Interest rates. The dollar's strength influences US interest rates, which impact everything from mortgage rates to credit card APRs. By understanding these connections, you can better anticipate changes in your cost of living and plan accordingly. What happens if the dollar loses its dominance? Some experts worry that the dollar's role as the global reserve currency could weaken in the future. Countries like China are pushing for their currencies to play a bigger role in international trade. If the dollar loses its dominance, it could lead to higher borrowing costs. The US government and businesses might face higher interest rates on debt. Currency volatility. Exchange rates could become more unpredictable, affecting travel and trade. Shifts in global power. The balance of economic influence could shift toward countries with stronger currencies. While this scenario isn't imminent, it's something to keep an eye on as the global economy evolves. Final thoughts. The US dollar is more than just the currency in your wallet. It's a cornerstone of the global economy. From exchange rates to investments to everyday expenses, its influence is everywhere. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you noticed how the dollar's strength or weakness has impacted your life? Maybe you've traveled abroad or invested internationally? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Evergreen Report for more insights into how the global economy affects your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.